One Gateman don't go kill him boss because of no better reason. I don't know why people just get wicked mind like this. When you even surprise now, after this person kill this person, he can't carry the man body, still go bury him inside this man house. He bury him for the man backyard. I beg the thing not even to understand me well because the thing where the guy they talk. Now only Hausa and the person they use to communicate. It be like say the person not to hear English. So everyone will just know now. It be like say they find this man where they work for UBA. Then they begin find him. They convince us, this person don't lost. Now there they begin doing their investigation. Before they go see, now there they convince and say, now young Gateman, now use the hand, kill her by himself. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
That ear nuna muna. No, it's well. No. Za ka iya ka nuna muna inda mai gidan ne yake? To mu je ka nuna muna. Kar ku kashe. Ina ne mai gidan yake? Cikin a cikin yake? Ne ya sa rabin mu ma. A cikin nan yake? Wani shi. Dan wani to ka juye ka kalla. You understand? Kana ji na? Kana ji na?
And I don't see the heart of men, Abi. I beg, waiting this man fit do this insecurity man. Where be say the person no even fit pity him, you no even reason and say okay, now my oga be this so. Make I even pity him, make I no even kill him. Make I just carry myself go. This person call kill him. I don't know bear na the grace say he go dey the house, they leave us oga. Bear na waiting come make I come decide okay. I don't kill the person and make I stay for there. I know this kind of thing, it happen because of say wetin. People where they grant access to their security guards. Maybe they enter their house anyhow. You go see this one, go just come carry food, do this one. I sure say now wetin they cause all this kind of thing. Because if you don't give this man this kind of free, I beg how Gateman won't take enter your house, can't take you. When you not do him anything, you go come reason and say he won't kill you. I beg waiting this guy self won't even gain. Make I ask him the question because no be say this man won't willing property give you. No be say you won't carry your whole property, say okay, I won't carry this thing, give my security guard. So what you won't gain at all, what be say can't make you say decide say you won't come kill this person. It be like say now all security agents, it be like say they don't they very possess. Police they key, army they key, na security officer. This will not be even better security, Gateman security. Now himself can't decide now say na killing and they won't carry as option. But anyway, police, I go feel say make na torture this guy well because me I sure say he get reason where go dey where make this person kill this person. Person no go just decide say he won't kill person for no better reason. So make they ask am question or be na person self send them say make him kill him oga. If they torture am well, I sure say this guy go talk. But last, I go just advise say maybe people start to replace all the security people with beer and a dog. When I go buy better, I know they talk of all this backing dog. Security dog now make na carry people for house because the kind of things where they happen now inside Nigeria. I know even sure say human being fit secure person. Because when human being your own security could go figure that mind, just kill you just like that. It means say nowhere they safe, I beg. But I beg, make na stay safe. Like say things they really happen, new things, not just they come outside inside Nigeria. It's always security, just keep it. The things still even they surprising. But my people, I beg, I hear this story as make I bring and come, make na service na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything I feel about this matter, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video. Flood don't damage Taraba residents bridge. In fact, this one as I see the thing, I think na only Oyinbo film now they see. The bridge break in between inside the middle of the bridge. Now there this thing break. But we thank God as this thing happen, nobody die. We never hear say anybody die. But as we gather and they talk say na rain, na go destroy. I come they wonder which kind rain go fit chop bridge now so the bridge go come break. I remember they just talk say the infrastructure, the things where they use, they no use and well. Then this ones now they can't dey here now they lie talk say now the bridge now this. In fact, say na rain now destroy this thing. My poor beg, make now follow me watch this video.
This is Gadan Kuturu, meaning crippled man's bridge, located in Motumbio, the headquarters of Gasol local government area of Taraba State. It's the latest to be hit by flood on the Jalingo-Wukari Federal Highway after a consistent record of same since 2018, with those still standing perhaps waiting for another heavy downpour before they give way, as they have been reported to have existed for more than 40 years. Though no life was lost, the road is the major access lane from Taraba State in the northeast to the south-south and the southeastern parts of the country, and also connects some parts of the northeast as well as Benue State in the north-central.
For about 6 to 7 hours, everything stands still. Nobody's going out, nobody's coming in. Even some of the government vehicles were stranded until when the youths came to their aid and blocked the holes with trees, sound and all the rest. We need the government to come and do the needful thing.
Road where be say this place na major road. Where be say people they always pass. Now again they can't say this bridge won't come break in between this thing. But as we gather our information, people when they pass this road talk say they sit down for there 6 hours. No movement, everybody just dey on stand still. Say nothing where they feel to feel pass. Say in fact, then some what they even call them government officials as they won't pass the road. Nigeria themselves they can't hang put for there. See as the people they can't hustle youth. Nigeria youth can't gather themselves say they won't go build one kind bridge. In fact, then this our youth they shall be disappointed. Now here una for leave this thing like this so that then this government people say they go suffer small. They go see what people they suffer because this one now they are sure say they go even give them money. Now they can't carry this money go build the bridge. Now there people can't start to they pass. I don't know one year trailer over Sabi. Can't carry himself say among na him get head now. Everybody they wait they pass small. He can't carry himself when he carry load gari. Can't carry himself can't go tumble on top of the bridge. Can't cause another double wahala. Bridge when you just build, you can't even go destroy. In fact, our people don't even understand. And this person that go carry this gari, go give people where Sansan don't even enter, it go distribute and to people say in they do business. But this I know no be our government I suppose can't do this thing. Because they're supposed to investigate this matter. People don't talk and say, make government come and say, but I sure say a Chinese constructor now do this kind of thing. Because I never see where one heavy reach a whole bridge where we say people don't they use the bridge will come break for the 2 minutes. This one, you know they happen. I never hear so I sure say the things where they use they build this thing, the things now I know they correct. So people where they use this road make na they kept I even surprised I say people still get mind they pass. Where we say na suppose they crawl on top of this bridge, some people still gather motor, carry okada, they climb when I go just calm down. If na another road, they when I go use, men I just go use and pass them instead of climbing this bridge. Because now just a risk in our own life, now just a risk and stuff. If anything go happen for here, now go face our own problem. Because they don't already talk and say the bridge no good, make people no pass them. But now still carry in a head, in a strong head, say now won't go there, go pass them. My beg if na they pass am make na dey very careful, make na dey very watchful, make we no come hear story say bridge just break into two again. But e be like say this kind rain wey dey fall, e be like say this rain go cause wahala. Because even for other places, this rain no dey cause problem. This one wey be say when dey happen inside Nigeria again, hey, e mean say wahala wan shallow. So make people dey very careful. If you see say rain dey fall, sit down for your house, so no come outside say you dey go anywhere. Make we no go dey hear story that touches the heart. My people beg, I hear this one, I want to make I bring am come. Make na service na ear, hear wetin dey happen. Anything wey na feel about this whole matter wey I just hear now, make na don't forget to write am inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you for the next video.